2047 ये मोदी का वादा है। और इसलिए हमारे भाइयों बहनों, इस चुनाव में दिल्ली में मुझे कर्नाटका से मजबूत समर्थन की जरूरत है। मैं आज आपके पास कुछ मांगने के लिए आया हूं। मैं आपसे आशीर्वाद मांगने के लिए आया हूं। और इसलिए इस चुनाव में बेलगावी से हमारे बहुत पुराने साथी जगदीश शेट्टर जी को और चिकोड़ी से हमारे अन्ना साहेब शंकर जोले जी को ज्यादा से ज्यादा वोट दीजिए। और आप जब इनके लिए कमल के निशान पर बटन दबाएंगे ना, जब आप कमल के निशान पर बटन दबाएंगे तो वोट सीधा सीधा मोदी के खाते में जाएगा। तो मोदी को मजबूत बनाएंगे, मोदी को मजबूत बनाएंगे, मोदी को मजबूत बनाने के लिए घर घर जाएंगे, मोदी को मजबूत बनाने के लिए ज्यादा से ज्यादा मतदान करवाएंगे, सुबह 10 बजे के पहले ज्यादा से ज्यादा मतदान करेंगे। पहले मतदान फिर जलपान, पहले मतदान फिर जलपान, पहले मतदान फिर। आपसे मेरा आग्रह है, हमें सारे पुराने रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने हैं और हर पोलिंग बूथ जीतना है। जीतोगे? हर पोलिंग बूथ जीतोगे? अच्छा, मेरा एक काम करोगे? जरा हाथ ऊपर करके बताओ तो बताओ। मेरा एक काम करोगे? ये मेरा पर्सनल काम है, करेंगे? ये चुनाव वाला काम नहीं है, करेंगे? पक्का करेंगे? एक काम करना, घर घर जाइएगा और हर घर में जाके कहिएगा कि मोदी जी आए थे, मोदी जी ने आपको नमस्कार भेजा है। मेरा नमस्कार पहुंचा देंगे? जब मेरा नमस्कार आप पहुंचाएंगे ना, तो हर परिवार मुझे आशीर्वाद देगा और हर परिवार का आशीर्वाद मेरे लिए एक नई ऊर्जा बन जाता है। और जब नई ऊर्जा बन जाता है तो मैं पूरी शक्ति के साथ आपके सपनों को साकार करने के लिए अपनी जिंदगी खपा देता हूं। और इसलिए मुझे आपके आशीर्वाद चाहिए। मेरे साथ बोलिए, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। साथियों, कांग्रेस के शाहजादे का बयान सोच समझकर वोट बैंक की राजनीति करने के लिए, तुष्टीकरण के लिए दिया गया बयान है। जो अत्याचार नवाबों ने किए, निजामों ने किए, सुल्तानों ने किए, बादशाहों ने किए, उसकी बात पर तो शाहजादे के मुंह पर ताला लग जाता है, बोलती बंद हो जाती है और राजा महाराजाओं को गालियां दे रहे हो, उनको अपमानित करते हो। कांग्रेस को औरंगजेब के अत्याचार याद नहीं आते, जिसने हमारे सैकड़ों मंदिरों को तोड़ा, अपवित्र किया। कांग्रेस तो औरंगजेब का गुणगान करने वाली पार्टियों के साथ खुशी से गठबंधन करती है।
Let me go across to Imran, joining us with more details. A fiery speech by the Prime Minister in Belgavi. Cannot forget Maharaja's contributions, but says for vote bank the Congress continues to insult and says favors those like Aurangzeb. Very important in the context of the kind of attacks that have been coming in, Imran, from the Prime Minister, the last few election rallies, wherein he's also time and again invoked the inheritance tax and the remark that came in from Rahul Gandhi. And time and again the Prime Minister has maintained one thing, that all of is being done only because of appeasement?
Well, absolutely. In fact, he is speaking in Belgavi, which is just close to the Hubli. And we also refer to the Neha murder case, and where he said that the accused has been not been given stringent punishment because of politics of appeasement. Joining with me is also BJP spokesperson and senior leader, Mr. Prakash. Sir, another strong attack by the Prime Minister against the ruling Congress government here.
No, it is very unfortunate. The Congress party rushed to the rescue of the person who has committed heinous crime on the basis of religion. They should have looked at it as a crime against humanity, crime against women. Instead of that, just to prioritize their vote bank politics, they tried to give shelter to such element. It is because of this reason many such incidents have taken place in the past 11 months. Many threats have been issued to Hindus, and those incidents have gone uninvestigated, and the government has not taken it very seriously. It is this attitude is being deplored by one and all.
So where you heard spokesperson from the BJP and senior leader Mr. Prakash speaking out about Prime Minister's comment. In fact, he also hit out at Rahul Gandhi, where during his speech in Ballari, he said that earlier the Maharajas used to usurp lands without any questioning, and the Congress has come here with their manifesto to do equitable distribution of wealth and property. Now, over this comment, the Prime Minister has attacked Rahul Gandhi, saying that he is only attacked the Hindu Maharajas, but not the Muslim Nawabs and Badshahs. And this is the duplicity of the Congress, is what the Prime Minister made a serious attack on the Congress party in Belgavi today.
You know, it's also in line, Imran, with the attack that came in from Union Minister Anurag Thakur very recently, wherein he also hit out at Rahul Gandhi over the inheritance tax debate. The Prime Minister once again repeated that there is a certain money, wealth that you save, ensure for your children. The Congress wants to snatch all of that away. He reiterated that once again in this election rally.
Well, yes, this issue, or especially the Sam Pitroda's comment, has quoted controversy, where Sam Pitroda's, the Congress, however, distanced itself from Sam Pitroda, saying that it is an individual comment. In fact, former Chief Minister Veerappa Moily also said that this is his individual comment, not of the Congress party. And in fact, Rajiv Gandhi himself had taken away, made a stop for this inheritance tax. In fact, the Congress is highlighting that during when Jaitley was the finance minister, his Union Minister of State had said that this same tax would be brought in. So they are questioning BJP over this issue, but the Prime Minister has again hit out at the Congress, saying that they were taking away the wealth of the poor, for the Hindus, and giving it to Muslims.
Okay, and apart from that, of course, you know, the Aurangzeb jibe taken, the inheritance tax charge repeated. He also spoke of the Bengaluru cafe blast, and in a sense, he tried to lay emphasis on how the Congress in Karnataka has time and again tried to downplay these incidents, you know, merely passing them off as cylinder or gas blasts.
Well, yes, he also said that there's a law and order situation in Karnataka is going out of hand, and only people responsible behind it, the Congress is trying to shield and protect them, referring to the Muslims, and the accused mostly are Muslims and minority community. He's also said that the Hindus are in danger, and in order to appease the minority communities, the Congress is protecting the accused. And he also spoke about the Neha murder case, and in general, he spoke about how Congress has become a heaven for all this kind of anti-social elements, and the Congress is not taking strict action because of his minority appeasement policy. This is what the Prime Minister hit out, and in fact earlier too he had hit out and specifically he's speaking in Belgaum has relevance to it, because just a few kilometers from it, around 70 kilometers, is Hubli, where the infamous Neha murder case happened, where the protests are still continuing, and BJP still continue to demand
a host of issues raised by the Prime Minister in this election rally. Imran, stay on with us. We have.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.